Hey guys, Rob Baldwin here, and I'm going to show you how I make an old-fashioned cocktail. Let's jump right in. So, first things first, 2 ounces of rye whiskey. I'm using Canadian Rye because I'm Canadian, but you can use any whiskey you want, really, bourbon, whatever. Just don't use that Lafroig in the back there, that's for sipping. Okay, so whiskey in. Next, we're going to put some maple syrup. I mean, Canadian whiskey and maple syrup just makes sense, right? You can use simple syrup here, you can use a sugar cube, anything you want really. Alright, next, bitters. So we're going to start with some Angostura aromatic bitters, pretty classic, couple dashes. But we're also going to add some orange bitters. I've got some Angostura orange bitters, you can use any orange bitters. Couple dashes of that as well, I like bitters. And that's pretty much the drink right there, 3 ingredients. So we're going to crack some ice. I like to crack a nice big cube, add a few other smaller cubes, really fill that mixing glass in, and commence stirring. Now one note, this is a stirred drink. Pretty much rule of thumb, any drink that is just booze, you stir. So old fashions, you stir. Martinis, you stir. That's right, James Bond, we stir martinis. And yeah, we're stirring to chill, to dilute, to once the ice kind of settles and it kind of releases, you kind of know you're done. I'd say 15 seconds, sounds about right. Okay, grab ourselves a strainer, grab our nice glass there with a big chunk of ice, and pour. Now note about the ice, big chunk, big giant cube of ice, you can get those big ice balls, that's what you want for an old fashioned. No ice chips, no crushed ice, none of that crap. It's going to dilute way too fast, it's going to make a terrible drink. Get yourself proper mold for a nice big chunk of ice. Okay, we're gonna grab a lemon and we're gonna peel ourselves a nice big swath up there. Careful not to cut yourself, I've done that a few times. Now we're gonna squeeze that peel and express some of those oils onto the drink. You can also rim the glass. It really adds a lot. It perfumes the drink. It's quite nice. Do it. And finally, we're gonna top that off with a couple Luxardo cherries. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? And that's it. That's your drink. That's your old-fashioned. Super easy to make. An awesome cocktail. The original cocktail. A classic. Try it out. You'll love it. This is Rob Baldwin, and cheers. We'll see you next time. Hey guys, thanks for watching and thanks for sticking around to the end. If you enjoyed this, I will be making more of these videos. This is a brand new video series. Cocktails and mixology has been a passion of mine for a while, so I decided to make this video series. So if you like what you see, please subscribe and you'll get notified when the other videos are up. Also, I do have another YouTube channel where I do Photoshop tutorials. I know it's a completely different topic, but if you're into that, please check that out. The link is below, and we will see you next time. Cheers.